Alright, welcome to Insurgency Sandstorm. We got a bit of a meme going on. You can't see it, but we have a grease gun with a flashlight, and that's all I got for the night. So I will be getting no kills, but it will be fun. I'll try not to flash my teammates in the eyes, because they actually have nods on and all that.
No way!
Yes! Eyes open, guys!
Come on, asshole!
Negative!
We need to throw smoke out there!
Roger!
Use smoke!
No can do!
Oh, I can't see how many kills I was like. I'm pretty sure I got 3 kills in that one life, so that's pretty good for me. Certainly insane. I need to use that optic more. I really like that optic. It's just that 1p5 or 1x5 just isn't that powerful, or just like isn't that game changing, you know? Bruh, up. You can really see the fear in this guy's playstyle right now. He needs to push up though. He needs to get in the building. Yeah, I know it would have sounded bad, but if he got in the building, it would have been a lot easier for him. Yeah. Oh, 4 kills. Nice. With my meme build.
Get ready to move!
Okay. Alright, gang, are we locked in?
Okay, let's do it! Alright, let's move!
Oh, I actually never knew about this place. Path.
Working on Alpha! I am loading! I'm going to You're in trouble now, asshole! Hit that position, light those fuckers up! Alpha secure! Light clear! Speak up, how are we looking? I'm on injured.
Get ready. This is Warlock. Warlock here.
Okay, let's go.
That is it. And that is an airstrike.
Okay, well, I'm leaving. Careful down there. Warlock out. Straight base complete.
And that's why I do not turn my flashlight off.
Thank you for the help.
Oh yeah, this is on
Let me load. Yo, I'm on Bravo. What the hell are you doing, husband? Give up. Yo, balik ka rin. Yo!
That was an interesting tactic.
Okay, we got Bravo. Get ready. Attack incoming.
This is exciting for me. Anyone else? Yeah, we got him and this guy. I like the green NVGs. They're just so cool in my opinion. Oh shit.
Fuck, where did everyone go?
Oh yeah, it is just him left.
Shit!
Oh no. Yeah, that was tough. Glad I loaded into it though. Yeah, Connie carried that one.
Ready!
Alright.
Everyone ready? Jesse?
Okay. Yeah, okay. No, man, no!
Eyes open, guys!
Alright, I don't know why anyone would go out into the open in the first bit like that, usually. Like, I get it if you're a marksman or something and you're trying to get fire support, but like, there's genuinely no reason to, you know?
Hey! We're taking out for now. There! Loading dead! Reloading! Alpha, captain! We got it!
Oh, now we have to defend this thing.
Area clear!
Oh, man! Hang in like that!
I'm ready! Let's do it! Are we all okay? Mortar! I'm okay! I need the server!
Hostile on the Alpha!
Where's the server? Get Warlock to strike this target! Hey, bring me the radio! They're coming in!
Hostile on the Alpha!
Can you hit it?
Oh, everyone's gonna be coughing because of the smoke artillery.
Be there in a jiffy. We're losing Alpha!
Grease gun OP. We need to nerf.
Carry on, guys. Alright, we hit it. Station out. Back! They're Alpha!
We're losing Alpha!
Let's just clear that part off real quick.
Just stay home!
Speak up, how are we looking? I could be better!
I'm okay! I'm good!
What the hell was that?
Green screen, dude, let's go! Fall back! Fall back! Jackie. Fucking get back! On the ground now! Give up!
I'm doing way better this round. I'm locked in.
Stop shooting me!
I ain't just playing around no more, bro.
Hey, hey! Down on the ground! Do it! You're wasting your breath! Careful!
Okay, we got Bravo!
Perfect.
Objective clear! Hey, we trouble now! Oh, God! Frag out!
There we go.
Loading! Loading! Northwest! Hey! Just a sec, reloading! Over there! Over there! Flashlight! Oh, fuck!
That was unfortunate.
Good to go!
What did he have? An M16. That's a good one. That's a good one. Let's see here. He wants that Molotov, yeah. See what his teammate's doing.
Reloading! Okay, let's go!
See what the rest of this guy's going good. Oh, it's this guy again. What's this guy's name? Swiss? I'm not gonna try any of that last one, but yeah, Swiss. I like this guy's loadout a lot, actually. Oh, wow.
On your knees!
Is that an SKS I see? What's that?
Charlie's clear! It's
Nice,
ours.
nice.
I could be better!
Oh, what? Oh, no, I'm lagging. I'm lagging. This ain't good. Let's go this way. That's freaky.
That's it!
Okay, I'm on Delta!
I don't like this place at all, bro. My vision would never give me this kind of atmosphere.
We're at Delta!
Could have sworn I just heard something behind me.
We got Delta!
Shit.
Wait! Caravan is coming!
Casualty! That's Mortar! You guys all okay?
We're
Need an observer. Come to me.
Molotov going out!
I did not throw that as far as I wanted to.
Let me go. Contact down.
We're losing Delta!
He's in here somewhere. He's got to be, right?
Contact south. Fuck you.
Shit, ammo. Alright, I'm gonna need ammo desperately.
I'm hit!
I took a hit.
It's nothing!
Oh, fuck!
So if you're wondering why I keep turning my flashlight off, it's because it wiggles around a lot when you're reloading. Alright, I think they figured it out. Guy scared me. SVD? Maybe. Oh no, I'm liking this, and I don't have night vision, so I don't want to pick up anything because I might not have a flashlight, you know? I put this loadout together thinking it was going to be a meme. I'm actually having a lot of fun. Like, actual, like... Not fun because, oh haha, look at this bullshit I'm using, but... Fun as in I'm actually, like, having a good time with it. Ooh, I love an amber flashlight, or amber nod.
Loading! Get down!
What?
Sure.
Bruh.
You're in trouble now, asshole!
Выходи! Хули прячешься, а?
See, they're all using AKs. It's quite cool, except for this guy. He's using QBZ, which I do like, though.
Go! Get them!
Wait, does this guy have a
Hold
flashlight?
up!
Great! We took back
Move,
shots!
move, move!
I will not. Guess I'll never know.
Go!
I think they know I'm using a flashlight. Y'all see that shit?
يا اخوة I'm reloading.
It's on my team.
Careful, it's something out. Get the fuck out.
I told them to run away. Could have sworn that was a guy that was alive.
Securing that!
Just gotta wait for this fire to die down. Oh, that's not even a door I can go through. Oh well.
You man get
We're gonna need cleric! I have to low ammo! Ammo! Low!
okay.
Check your weapons! Everyone have their equipment! Yo! That was a mortar! Speak up! How are we looking?
Made the barracks on site.
Oh, minigun support, I love you. Hosen man!
There we go. Okay, got him.
That scared me.
Okay, we got 5.
Ah!
Attack complete. Exiting. Barrack out.
Reloading! Get me
I'm out of ammo.
Finished its run. Let us know if you need anything else. Station out.
Yeah, this has been a stressor of a game.
We're on site.
Man, you guys are fucked now!
Shit. Shit.
Going out.
Thank you for the donation. Oh! Oh my god. Oh, that was stressful at the end there.
Attack run complete.
This has been Insurgency Sandstorm. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next blessed video.